Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Camembert cheese. Creamy, flavorful, and surprisingly nutritious. Camembert has more to offer than just taste. Join us as we uncover the health benefits in moderation packed in this soft, velvety delight. Shall we melt away the mysteries? First and foremost, Camembert cheese is a good source of calcium, a mineral vital for bone health. Calcium is the primary building block of our bones and helps in maintaining their strength and structure. Camembert contains phosphorus, another essential mineral that works hand in hand with calcium for bone health. Phosphorus helps in forming a sturdy bone matrix, making your bones resilient against fractures. Vitamin D, often present in fortified dairy products like Camembert, aids in calcium absorption, ensuring your body utilizes this bone-friendly mineral effectively. What's more, Camembert, like other fermented dairy products, contains live bacteria strains, often including lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These are probiotics, beneficial microorganisms that support a healthy gut microbiome. When consumed, probiotics can bolster the gut's natural balance of microflora, promoting digestive health. They aid in breaking down food, enhancing nutrient absorption, and supporting a strong immune system. Probiotics may help alleviate gastrointestinal issues like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. They can also contribute to reducing inflammation in the gut and may play a role in managing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. While Camembert can be a source of these beneficial bacteria, it's essential to note that the probiotic content may vary based on factors such as the cheese's production process and storage conditions. Additionally, Camembert cheese contains vitamin B12, a vital water-soluble vitamin essential for various bodily functions. B12 supports the formation of red blood cells, neurological health, and the synthesis of DNA. For those on vegetarian or vegan diets, Camembert can be a source of B12, as it's typically challenging to obtain adequate B12 from plant-based foods alone. However, it's crucial to note that Camembert might not be sufficient for those solely reliant on plant-based sources, and fortified foods or supplements might be necessary. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining energy levels, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Including B12-rich foods like Camembert in a balanced diet can help meet your body's B12 needs. But wait, there is more. Conjugated linoleic acid is a fatty acid found in varying amounts in the milk and dairy products of ruminant animals like cows. Camembert cheese, being a dairy product, contains CLA. Research suggests that CLA may have potential health benefits, including aiding in weight management by supporting fat loss and muscle gain. It's believed to influence enzymes that help break down fat and reduce the number of fat cells. It's important to note that while Camembert contains conjugated linoleic acid, the levels might vary based on factors like the cow's diet and the cheese-making process. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know antioxidants in Camembert cheese are guarding your health bite by bite? Camembert cheese, like other dairy products, contains antioxidants. These compounds help combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, leading to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants such as vitamin E and selenium neutralize these harmful free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and certain cancers. While Camembert isn't as rich in antioxidants as fruits and vegetables, it still contributes to your overall antioxidant intake. Lastly, Camembert cheese contains a moderate amount of healthy fats, primarily in the form of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are considered healthy as they can have positive effects on heart health and overall well-being. Monounsaturated fats. These fats are heart-friendly and can help improve cholesterol levels. They are found in abundance in olive oil and certain nuts and seeds. Polyunsaturated fats. This type includes essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and are crucial for brain function and heart health. Remember, despite its benefits, Camembert is high in saturated fat and sodium, so it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. There you have it, folks, Camembert, a creamy delight with surprising health benefits. Enjoy a slice with a side of well-being. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.